Living on a low income can feel like climbing a steep mountain with a heavy backpack. Every dollar counts, every choice matters, and every mistake can sting. But with the right mindset and smart strategies, you can stretch your money further than you ever thought possible. Frugal living isn't about living without. It's about living wise. It's about discovering creative, sustainable ways to save money while still enjoying life. Today, we'll explore powerful and practical tips that can completely change how you manage your money, even on the tightest budget. Number 1. Create a budget and stick to it. The first rule of frugal living is knowing exactly where your money goes. Track every dollar, your income, your bills, your spending. A clear budget shines a light on hidden leaks in your wallet. Categorize your expenses and find out where you can trim the fat. Once you see the truth, you can prioritize what truly matters and avoid what doesn't. Use a budgeting app or even a simple notebook. What matters most is that you stay accountable. Your budget is your map to freedom. Follow it, and it will lead you out of the storm of uncertainty. Number 2. Embrace meal planning and cooking at home. Eating out might seem easy, but it's one of the fastest ways to drain your wallet dry. Start planning your meals, write them down, make a list, and buy only what you need. Cooking at home gives you control. You save money, waste less, and eat healthier. Cook in bulk, freeze what's left, and you'll always have something ready. Simple meals like soups, casseroles, and stir-fries can fill your stomach and protect your savings. Each home-cooked meal is a quiet victory, a step closer to financial freedom. Number 3. DIY and repurpose. Becoming resourceful is like having a superpower. Instead of buying something new, ask yourself, can I make it? Can I fix it? Can I reuse it? Turn old jars into stylish containers, worn-out clothes into cleaning rags, and create your own cleaning products from vinegar and baking soda. DIY projects don't just save money. They give you pride and creativity. Every time you repurpose something, you prove that living smart is better than living big. Number 4. Cut down on utility bills. Your electricity and water bills can quietly eat away at your income. But small habits can make a huge difference. Switch to energy-saving bulbs, unplug devices when not in use, and wash your clothes in cold water. Seal up drafts and weatherproof your home. It keeps warmth in during winter and cool air in during summer. Each saved dollar is a drop in your growing ocean of financial security. Number 5. Use public transportation or carpool. Cars are expensive. Gas, insurance, repairs, they never stop taking. If you can, take the bus, train, or share a ride with friends. Carpooling to work or school saves gas and builds friendships. Walk or bike whenever possible. It's good for your health, your wallet, and the planet. Every mile you travel smartly brings you closer to a debt-free life. Number 6. Practice. Mindful spending. Every purchase whispers a question. Do you really need me? Before buying something, pause and think. Is it a necessity or just a moment of impulse? Use the 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something non-essential, wait a day. Most times the urge fades, and you'll be thankful you didn't waste your money. Mindful spending is the secret weapon of the financially wise. One shining example of mindful shopping is using Temu, a platform where prices are low because products come straight from factories. No middleman, no inflated prices, just pure savings. By watching for Temu's sales, using coupons, and checking promotions, you can stretch your dollars farther than ever before. It's not just shopping, it's strategic saving. Number 7. Buy secondhand before you rush to buy something new. Check the secondhand market. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces like eBay and Facebook Marketplace are treasure chests waiting to be opened. From clothes to furniture, used items often look and work just as well as new, but cost a fraction of the price. Buying secondhand not only saves money, it also saves the planet by reducing waste. In frugal living, secondhand isn't second best. It's smart first. Number 8. Cancel unused subscriptions. Subscriptions are sneaky. A few dollars here, a few there, and before you know it, you're losing hundreds a year. Check every subscription, streaming platforms, gym memberships, magazines, apps. If you don't use it, cut it. Replace them with free alternatives, library books instead of ebooks, home workouts instead of the gym. These small changes can make your budget breathe again. Number 9. Embrace minimalism. Minimalism isn't about living with nothing. It's about living with enough. When you stop chasing stuff, you start finding peace. Ask yourself before every purchase, do I really need this? Buy only what adds real value to your life. Focus on experiences, laughter, and memories, not material things. The less clutter you carry, the freer you feel, and the richer your life becomes. Number 10. Take advantage of free entertainment. Who said fun has to be expensive? There's magic in free moments. Watching a sunset, playing games with friends, exploring a park. Search your community for free events like outdoor concerts, local festivals, and museum days. Host movie nights at home or have a picnic under the stars. Happiness doesn't live in your wallet, it lives in your moments. Number 11. Grow your own food. If you've got a bit of space and sunlight, you've got gold. Grow your own vegetables, fruits, and herbs. Start small, with tomatoes, lettuce, or basil. Even a windowsill can hold a small garden. Fresh, homegrown food tastes better, costs less, and fills you with pride. Each seed you plant is a seed of independence. Number 12. Participate in community swap events. Imagine walking into a place where everyone exchanges what they no longer need, and everyone leaves happier. That's the beauty of community swap events. Trade clothes, toys, or books with neighbors and save money while connecting with others. These swaps keep useful things in circulation and stop waste before it starts. And if your community doesn't have one, why not start it? It's a chance to give, receive, and belong. Number 13. Learn basic home maintenance. Don't let small problems drain your wallet. Learn to fix a leaky tap, patch a wall, or unclog a drain. The internet is filled with free tutorials waiting to teach you. Each skill you learn saves you money and gives you confidence. Why pay hundreds when you can solve it yourself? Your hands can be your greatest money-saving tools. Number 14. Utilize cashback and reward programs. Let your money work for you. Credit cards, retail stores, and apps offer cashback and reward programs that put money back in your pocket. Look for cards that reward everyday spending, groceries, gas, dining. Use apps like Rakuten and Honey to earn cashback when shopping online. But remember, always pay your balance in full. Savings only count if you're not drowning in interest. Every little cashback adds up to something bigger, your financial control. Number 15. Swap services with friends and neighbors. Sometimes the best currency isn't money, it's skills. Trade what you're good at for what you need. Maybe you're great at gardening and your neighbor can fix things. Help each other instead of paying strangers. You'll save money, build friendships, and strengthen your community. Together, everyone wins. Living frugally on a low income takes courage, creativity, and consistency. It's not about living less, it's about living smarter. Every small choice you make adds up, like drops filling a bucket. And one day, that bucket will overflow with financial peace. Remember, the goal isn't just to save money. It's to build a life that values what truly matters. By embracing these strategies, you'll not only see your savings grow, you'll find joy in simplicity, pride in progress, and hope in every step toward your brighter future. So take a deep breath, believe in your power, and start your journey today. Your wallet and your future will thank you.